Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about mathematics integers. Already we learned previous classes about the definitions of integers. Okay. Now that I will go to direct what exercise. Exercise 1.1. First question. Following the number line, show the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Figure is given. So this is what the diagram. Next question. First A1. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Places marked on it. So on the number line, temperature, some cities temperature is noted. Now we are going to find out which city, how much temperature is there. That's what we want to find out here. First, A, city temperature. First, Bangalore city. Listen here, Bangalore. Where is Bangalore? Here. From here to 0 to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22 degree. 22 degrees centigrade. Which temperature? Which city temperature? Bangalore. Next, second one is Ooty. What is the temperature of Ooty? So Ooty temperature 0, 5, 0 to 5, 10. 10 after 1, 2, 3, 14. That is 14 degrees centigrade. That is Ooty temperature. Next, third city, Shimla. Shimla how much? That is 5 degrees centigrade. Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. Next, fourth one. So which one? That is Srinagar. Fourth one is Srinagar. Srinagar temperature is 0 here, 1, 2. So this right 0 right side positive, 0 left side that is negative. So 1, 2 that is minus 2 degrees centigrade. Minus 2 degree centigrade. Next last one that is what? Lahul Spiti. Fifth one. Lahul Spiti. So how much the temperature is? Minus 5, 6, 7, 8. That is minus 8 degree centigrade. Understands? Okay. Listen here. First, Bangalore city. What is the temperature of Bangalore according to any number line? According to number line. So what number line is given, what diagram is given for you. So on that, from on that diagram, so Bangalore temperature is 22 degree. Second one, Ooty temperature is 14 degree centigrade. Shimla temperature is 5 degree centigrade, and Srinagar temperature is, so then 0 forward we are taking positive, backward we are taking what? Negative. That is 1, 2, that is minus 2 degree centigrade. That's last one, Lahul Spiti temperature is minus 8 degree. So this is the first question. So this is the first solution of first question A. Now next go to B. So what is B given there? Listen. All of you listen here. So what is B? Question I will read. So what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest? So which is the hottest city? Hottest temperature is Bangalore. That is equal to the Bangalore. That is 20 22 degree centigrade. That is equal to coldest, hottest, coldest. No, which one asking there? Hottest and second one. Yes, coldest. Coldest temperature is which one? Lahuspati. Lahuspati. That is equal to how much? That is 0 minus what? 7. Sorry, minus 8 degrees centigrade. Difference between them. Difference between them is equal to hottest minus coldest. Hottest temperature minus coldest temperature. Hottest temperature minus coldest temperature. What is hottest temperature? That is 22 degrees centigrade minus coldest temperature is half minus 8 degrees centigrade. Difference means negative minus. That is 22 degrees centigrade minus into minus plus 8 ones are 8. So 8 degree centigrade, that is equal to 30 degree centigrade. The difference between hottest and coldest, difference between hottest and coldest temperature. Coldest temperature is equal to 30 degree centigrade. 30 degree centigrade. Okay. So this is question B. Now go to question C. Finish? Okay. What is question C? What is the temperature difference between Lahuspati and Srinagar? What is the temperature between Lahuspati and Srinagar? Difference between Lahuspati and Srinagar is equal to difference between highest which one there. So that is first we want to take the different Lahuspati and Srinagar. Lahuspati this one is how much? That is Srinagar temperature. Lahuspati temperature minus what is Srinagar temperature? Srinagar temperature. So that is equal to how much? That is how much? Lahuspati how much? That is 8 minus that is how much? Srinagar temperature is first this is minus 8. Okay, minus 8 no 8 this is Srinagar 2 plus 8 that is 6. Okay, so first one we want to take the Srinagar. Next Lahuspati. Okay, temperature. So Srinagar temperature is how much? That is Srinagar temperature -2 degree centigrade. Minus of Lahore Spiti temperature is -8 degree centigrade. That is equal to -2 degree minus the plus plus 8 degree centigrade. That is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 degree centigrade. So this is Lahore, difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar temperature. Next, last one is, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. D1. Okay. Next, D1. What is that D question? Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than to temperature of Shimla? It is also less than temperature of Srinagar. Okay. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is equal to solution. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is equal to is 5 degree centigrade plus of minus 2 degree centigrade is equal to how much? So is equal to 5 minus 5 degree centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade. That is equal to 3 degree centigrade. 3 degree centigrade. The temperature at Shimla, next, the temperature at Shimla is equal to 5 degree centigrade. 5 degree centigrade. Therefore, 3 degree centigrade is less than 5 degree centigrade. 5 degree centigrade. Thus, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Now temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree. Therefore, 3 degree temperature of Shimla is equal to -2 degree. Therefore, 3 degree centigrade is less than -2 degree centigrade. Therefore, no, it is not. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. There is no less than temperature at Srinagar. Okay. Now go to second question. So what is the second question? What is the second question? Option listen here. Second question, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, Jack's score 5 successive rounds 25, minus 5, minus 10, and 15 and what 10. 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? What was his total at the end? So if Jack scores in 5 successive rounds, what is his total? Jack scores 5 rounds job scores 5 rounds marks is equal to, listen, 25 plus half minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. And 25 plus into minus, minus 5, minus into plus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Add. Positive terms added, next negative terms added. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Minus 5 minus 5 is equal to how much? 5 minus 10 is equal to 15. That is how much? How much? That is 35. What is that? What is that 35? 35 is his total at the end. Total marks he scored. He scored at the end. At the end is equal to 35. Is equal to how much? 35. Understands? Mr. Job scored 5 rounds marks in a quiz program. In a quiz program, Job scored positive and negative of 5 rounds. That is 25 minus 5, 10, minus 10, 15 and 10. 5 rounds. He scored marks. At the end of the quiz, find the total number of marks scored by what? Joe. That is, Joe scored 5 rounds marks is equal to 25 plus half minus 5 plus half minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So this is 25 as it is, plus into minus minus 5, minus into minus plus 10, plus 15 plus 10 as it is. Positive terms first add 25 plus 15, 35. Sorry, 25 plus 15 is equal to 40, plus 10 is equal to 50. Minus 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 15. That is equal to 15 minus 15 is equal to 35. Total marks he scored at the end. Job scored total marks at the end of this quiz, that is 35 marks. Okay? Next question. Next question. That is third one. Third question. What is that? At Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Monday, how much? Minus 5 degrees centigrade temperature, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Tuesday dropped means minus, less. What was the temperature on Tuesday and on Wednesday? Tuesday and Wednesday. What is the temperature of Tuesday and Wednesday? It rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on that day? Okay. Listen. Monday temperature how much? Solution. Monday temperature. So Monday's present temperature. Monday temperature is equal to how much? That is Monday temperature minus 5 degrees centigrade. And dropped Tuesday dropped dropped 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. Total temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degree C minus 2 degree C, that is equal to minus 7 degree C, that is dropped. Total temperature on Tuesday is equal to temperature on Tuesday. Total temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degree centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade is equal to minus 7 degree centigrade. Minus 7 degree centigrade. Next question. On Wednesday how much? 4 degree. On Wednesday rose 4 degree centigrade. That is how much? 4 rose from temperature on Wednesday is equal to 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade rises, that is equal to minus 3 degree centigrade. So Wednesday temperature is minus 3 degree centigrade. Wednesday temperature how much? Minus 3 degree centigrade. Understand? Present. Monday temperature is minus 5 degree centigrade. Tuesday dropped 2 degree centigrade. Dropped is nothing but negative, minus, less, that is 2 degree centigrade. Total temperature on Tuesday, the temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degree C. Monday's temperature minus 5 degree C minus 2 degree C is equal to minus 7 degree C. Minus 7 degree C, that is the temperature of Tuesday. On Wednesday rose 4 degree centigrade. Temperature rose means rise 4 degree centigrade. So how much temperature on Wednesday? Temperature on Wednesday is equal to previous temperature how much? Minus 7 degree centigrade. Rose means rise, that is plus 4 degree centigrade. That is equal to how much? Minus 3 degree centigrade, minus 4 degree centigrade plus 4 degree, minus 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade is equal to how much? Minus 3 degree centigrade. Okay. Next. Okay. I will continue next class. Thank you, students.